This is a female systems tea. A little bit of hormone balance, a little bit of discomfort relief, and a lot of overall equilibrium and nourishment. Dandelion root, amazing for the liver, which is key for filtering hormones out of our body. Dandelion root helps improve the health of the liver and its function. Red clover is super nutritious. It's full of great isoflavones that help normalize estrogen levels in the body. And red clover is wonderful for the lymphatic system. If you're dealing with water retention or you're looking to support your lymph system, red clover is for that. Nettle leaf. My friends, this may be my absolute favorite herb of all time. We go way back. It's a great source of iron. It's also a non-irritating diuretic, and it can be used for hormone support at any age. This is red raspberry leaf that has been used by North American and European native peoples as a tonic for the uterus. It can be great for morning sickness and for reducing pain and bleeding postpartum. It's also a mild antispasmodic, and it's nutritious. Fill all the way with tea hot water, cover, and let this one steep overnight. That's the best way to get all of the minerals and nutrients out of these super nourishing herbs.